This is a brand new 2012 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a power driver's seat, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel-mounted gear shift, traction control and stability control systems, dusk-sensing headlights, external temperature display, and aluminum wheels. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
McMahon Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3295 South Kings Highway in St. Louis.